There are different types of sexual disorders like gender identity disorders, psychological and behavioral disorders, sexual dysfunctions, and paraphilias. Paraphilias are the psychological disorders which are the reasons for increased sexual violence. This is Tranquil, and here we are discussing paraphilias in detail. Paraphilias are psychiatric disorders by sexual deviations, significantly in response to objects which are not a part of normal sexual arousal. That is, by non-human objects, suffering or humiliation of self or sexual partner, children, or a non-consenting person. There are different types of paraphilias, in which we are discussing the most commonly seen. Number 1. Fetishism. This is sexual fascination with non-living objects, usually associated with body or highly specific body parts. For example, shoes, gloves, underpants, etc. Number 2. Fetishistic transvestism. This is a psychiatric diagnosis applied to those who are thought to have an excessive sexual or erotic interest in cross-dressing. It differs from cross-dressing for entertainment or any other purposes that don't involve sexual arousal. Number 3. Sexual sadism. Sexually aroused by physical or emotional suffering of another person, usually the victim. Methods include beating, cutting, burning, stabbing to rape, and even killing. Number 4. Sexual masochism. Sexual masochism is just the reverse of sexual sadism. A masochist is aroused by physical or psychological humiliation, suffering, or injury by oneself or others. Number 5. Exhibitionism. Exposing one's own genitals to an unsuspecting stranger for their amusement or sexual satisfaction, or to shock the bystander. Number 6. Voyeurism. Watching an unsuspecting, non-consenting individual who is either nude, disrobing, or engaging in sexual activity. But please note that watching pornography is not included in voyeurism. Number 7. Freteurism. Freteurism is a paraphilic interest by touching or rubbing against a non-consenting person, especially in crowded places, by teenagers, manifested by fantasies, urges, or behaviors. It is most commonly practiced in crowded places such as malls, elevators, on busy sidewalks, and on public transportation vehicles. Number 8. Pedophilia. Pedophilia is a psychiatric disorder in which an adult or older adolescent experiences a primary or an exclusive sexual attraction to prepubescent, that is, girls under the age of 10 and boys under the age of 11. This may be associated with sexual sadism, either limited to incest or outside the family. Number 9. Zoophilia. Zoophilia is the persistent and significant involvement in sexual activity with animals. This is rare, but occasional or situational zoophilia is much more common. Number 10. Necrophilia. Necrophilia is a sexual attraction towards or a sexual act involving corpses. It is classified as a paraphilia by World Health Organization as well as the American Psychological Association. Now, let's check what are the treatments for paraphilias. If the patient is psychologically minded and has a good ego strength, then psychoanalysis can be considered. Behavioral therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, and drug therapy can be done with the consent of patient. castration, and psychosurgery are other treatments. It is true that paraphilia affected people are making so many issues in our society, but at the same time, they are having more internal struggles within them that should be treated on time.